So I recently taught this strategy. It's so powerful. I recently taught this strategy to one of my 100K mastermind students, and she got 43 leads in I think it was a 24-hour period. It was insane. So I wanted to walk you through it. This is a follow along tutorial. I'm just gonna give you this strategy. It's freaking ballers. Yeah, Dean Jackman, all credit goes to him. He's the first person I ever learned this from. I don't even know if he came up with the strategy, but it's brilliant and it's called the 9-word email. Literally an email that's 9 words long. No more, no less, and we're gonna talk about it, okay? If you mess this up, I'm gonna give you the formula. If you mess this up, it won't work. You're not smarter than Dean Jackman. I'm not smarter than Dean Jackman. Is it Jackman or Jackson? I need to check this out. It's Dean Jackson. It's Dean Jackson. So I'm not smarter than Dean Jackman, apparently. I can't even get his name right. Don't change this. If you mess this up, it won't work. Okay, so this is not one of those times where you've got creative license. You don't have creative license. Just follow this 9-word email and get a bunch of leads. Cool? Okay. So, all right, you ready to do this together? We're gonna fill this in together. So follow on tutorial. Let's say that your name is Jen. Jen, are you still interested in X? Now, X is what? X is results you provide. So if you are, hypothetically, our real estate agent, you would say, are you still interested in homes in Atlanta? So the email would read, Jen, are you still interested in homes in Atlanta? X could also be, let's say that you're a mindset coach, or let's just use, let's say you're a social media person and you help people get more Instagram followers. Are you still interested in getting more IG followers? Right? So it doesn't matter what X is, but X needs to be the result you help people get. You're literally going to send this email. So it's going to look like this, right? We'll do a new one. We'll get a new sheet. But it's basically, Jen, are you still interested in homes in Atlanta? I don't even sign off my full name. I just sign off M. This is the entire email you're going to send. You are not going to say, Jen, are you still interested in homes in Atlanta? Let me know. I got a couple cool homes you could check out. You're not going to do that. You're not going to say, Jen, are you interested in homes in Atlanta? Reply back and let me know. You're not going to say that. You're not going to say, Jen, are you still interested in possibly meeting with me to talk about some homes I have in Atlanta? No. What are you going to do? Jen, are you still interested in homes in Atlanta? This exact email. If you mess up it at all and do it different, it won't work. The other thing that you're not going to have, but you know, most emails have logo, and then they have text that kind of looks like this, where it's here's a bunch of text. And then there's this little footer area and some graphics over here and a big pink button to click. It's not going to be like that. It's going to be subject line, which I usually like to do question or quick cue. Jen, are you still interested in getting more IG followers? M. That's it. If you send this email and you have even a pretty old, pretty dead list, you're going to get a bunch of people who reply, yes, I'm still interested in getting more followers for Instagram. Then, depending on your sales process, you can have a sell by DM conversation, right? Where you close the sale over DMs. We teach people how to do that. You can have a email over the phone conversation, like book a call. Be like, hey, okay, cool. And booking a call here. You can do the book a call, just not in the initial email. The initial email, this 9-word strategy that will get you a ton of leads, is all dependent on you following this formula exactly. So strategies like this one tiny 9-word email that will make a huge difference for you in your revenue, in your ease of marketing. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We teach a ton of strategies like this in my 100K mastermind. So if you're a current business owner that makes over $5,000 a month, take a look at the 100K mastermind. It teaches you, and basically it's me teaching you everything that you need to know about scaling your business to 7 figures. So basically what I do to hit 100K months. What we've done with the 100K mastermind, it's awesome. It's super effective and it works really well. We've created these scaling projects. And basically the idea is you implement one scaling project and it adds 10K per month of recurring revenue. Then you implement another scaling project and that adds another 10K per month of revenue to your income, right? Revenue. Then you add another scaling project and that adds another 10K to your income. and so on and so on. And that's how you get to 100K months. We've been doing it for over a year now. It's super effective. Our students are seeing incredible results. If you're interested and you're serious, we only take on 1 or 2 students per month right now. And so we're really, really selective about who we let into it. But if it's something you're interested in and you want to apply for, click the link below in the description or go to mariawent.com/apply to learn more about it. Thank you so much. Go and implement that email, watch the leads come in, and I'll see you in the next video.